this is Ray. In this video I'm going to talk about the Apple wireless keyboard, and I'm just going to do a review of what you get when you buy one. Okay, now as I talked in the previous video, I use this Apple Bluetooth wireless keyboard with my Magic Mouse, and I did the review on the previous video, so if you want, just go to the link below and you'll see the video of this. But I use both of them, so I use for iPad, for my laptops, and also for the big Mac Pro. Alright, so let's look at the keyboard. Alright, so first of all, this keyboard is, as you can see, very thin. Alright, so here it's very thin. It's my hand. It runs on 3 batteries. It's a life-size keyboard. So if you look at my laptop, it's actually the same size. It's exactly the same size of like the real keyboard. All right. Now it's a little bit old already. I think it's like 2 years old now. There's some new versions coming in, so I think there's some new versions came out. But pretty much the keyboard is really fun to use, simple to use. The way you unscrew it. Okay, so let me open this. I'll just use a USB key, a USB cable, and I'll open it counterclockwise. Okay, now unscrew it, and if I take the batteries out, now on this side, as you can see, it actually has the marks the way the batteries go, so you cannot mix it. And I just use 3 batteries. It's only 3 batteries, and then you just put it in same way. You close it. This is the screw, and then the cap, and you close it. And it takes only with a nail. I mean, like, you know, if you use vitamins, so your nail should be strong enough. All right, now anything else, when you put this keyboard, you actually have a nice angle, so there's some space between, and as you can see, it actually, like, it stays the same that way. So when you put on the surface, it's a little bit tilted, so you can type it easily. Another thing that it has also is the keys. So this is to open the CD case. These are the volume. This is for any player. So for example, you play iTunes or QuickTime, you use those. This is dashboard, Windows. And then Windows, I mean the basically when it shows the different windows. And if I use this as an example, let me just turn it on. Oops, it doesn't work. Basically, it does this way, like this. Okay, so when you press it, it does this. And then we have the light, the brightness. We have a caps lock that opens up like that, function. So if you want, for example, use F10, F1, this is the button, Control, Alt, Command, and then others. All right, so definitely I use with my iPad too. It's really actually we tried, I think I got like 30 meters, which is in, what is it, in feet? I think will be 90 feet, and this is the distance that Bluetooth can give you the connection. All right, so I have a link underneath the video, so if you're interested, you can also see some reviews of this keypad, and just press the link below, and I'll give you also the links where to buy it if you want to. and then you can also enjoy this amazing and beautiful keyboard. Alright, so this is Ray, and I'll see you in another video.